Hello, grade 5. Today we are going to start a new lesson which is called the perimeter. The perimeter is lesson 8 in our book, which is page 55. In this lesson, you are going to be able to find the perimeters of a square and a rectangle. Then you are going to calculate the length of a side of a square knowing its perimeter, and to calculate the length or the width of a rectangle knowing its perimeter. First of all, the question is, what is a perimeter? Let's check the following pictures and figure out what's the meaning of a perimeter. As you can see here in the green color, here the fence is the perimeter, the red color around the house is the perimeter, and similarly here. Okay, we can say that the perimeter is the distance surrounding a given shape. It's around a given shape, surrounds it. In another word, what is the meaning of surrounds it? Around a shape or surrounding the shape doesn't mean you are going to be far away from this shape. No, when I say the length that surrounds this shape, it means you are going to take the exactly shape you have, okay? You are going to go around the shape, exactly going on its sides. Can we find the perimeter of this shape, or how can I find its perimeter? Look at the boy. To find the perimeter of the shape, you are going to walk around the shape, around a given shape. If you have the length of these sides, the perimeter of this shape is 50 meters. Why? Because he covered the distance around the shape, which is called 50 meters. Okay, its measure is 50 meters, the total length. So what is the perimeter? Look, if I want to bring a fence for my garden, it means I have to know the total length of my garden. The total length is called the perimeter. If you are going to walk around a carpet, I need to walk around the carpet. It takes for me 24 steps. 24 steps is called the perimeter, the covered distance around the shape. Can we find the perimeter of any shape? Absolutely not. It must be a polygon. We can find only the perimeter of polygons. So, what are the polygons? Let's take the definition of a polygon. A polygon is a closed shape with straight sides. Okay? So, examples, look at the two figures. These are called the polygons. I can find their perimeters, and these are not polygons. I can't find their perimeters. They must have a straight sides and they must be a closed shape. This is not a closed shape. So, what is the perimeter? The perimeter of a polygon is the distance around it. Now, how to find the perimeter of any polygon? As we said before, we add the length of the sides. We make addition. And the perimeter is measured in centimeter, meter, kilometer, inch, etc. These are the units of perimeter. Okay, similar to the units of length. Application. Can you find the perimeter of this rectangle? As we said that the perimeter is the total distance around this shape. So we add the length of the sides, 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 to give me 30 meters. Application 2. Can you find the perimeter of this polygon? Yes, we can walk around this shape to find its perimeter by adding the sides 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 to give me 24 centimeters. We write the unit similar to the given unit of the side. Now we are going to talk about the perimeter of a square. First of all, what is a square? Let's take the properties of the square. If you can see here, we can notice that the square has 4 sides and the 4 sides are equal. They are equal in length. Okay, if the measure of this side is 4, it means this one is 4, this one is also 4, and this one is also 4 centimeters because they are equal in measure. Now, how to find the perimeter of a square? We said that the perimeter is to add the sides. We add side plus side plus side plus side. Okay, S stands for the side. We can write the abbreviation of the side, the word, as the letter S. But look here, we have repetitive addition because the sides are equal. Since the sides are equal, we can write, instead of adding side plus side plus side plus side, we can multiply the side by 4. Okay, we can find directly the perimeter of a square by multiplying its side by 4. Instead of adding side plus side plus side plus side, we can get the one length of its sides and multiply it by 4. Let's make an application. Find the perimeter of the following squares. Squares mean they have 4 equal sides. To find the perimeter of the green square, we multiply the side by 4. So 4 times 9 give me 36 meters. The purple one, so 11 millimeter. This one is also 11. This one is also 11, and this one is also 11 millimeters. So to find the perimeter, it's 4 times side to give me 4 times 11, which is 44 millimeters. Can we find the length of the side of a square knowing its perimeter? Now you have the perimeter of the square and you want to find the length of one side of this square. Can you find it? Yes, we can. Why? Because the square has 4 equal sides. So the perimeter is distributed equally among the 4 sides. Distributed, it means I have to divide the perimeter above the 4 sides. So to calculate the side, we divide the perimeter by 4. Let's make an application. This is the application example. Calculate the side of a square of perimeter 6 centimeters. Example, if you look here at the yellow square, the perimeter is 16 centimeter. It means the length of all the sides together is 16 centimeter. So can you find the length of one side? Yes, so the side is the perimeter divided by 4, 16 divided by 4 to give me 4 centimeter. So this one is 4, this one is 4, this one is 4, and this one is 4. If you multiply 4 times 4, will give me the perimeter, which is 16. To find the perimeter, we multiply the side by 4. And if you want to find this side, given the perimeter of the square, we divide it by 4. And by this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.